Hello and welcome to Orissa Post Live. You're watching the news roundup of the day with Lopita. After being closed for a little over 9 months, the Jagannath Temple in Puri will reopen from 23rd December. This information was given by District Collector Balwant Singh here Friday. Temple had been closed in the wake of COVID-19 outbreak and devotees were not being allowed to have darshan of the deities. The Odisha government has decided to resume the auctions of mineral blocks that had been stalled due to the outbreak of the COVID-19 pandemic. Sources in the government said Friday that the auction of the mineral blocks will be completed by the end of January. A day after recovering the body of a 3-year-old boy from a well at Khankira village in the district, Nihal Prasad police here claimed to have cracked the murder mystery by arresting the neighbor of the family of minor boy. The minor boy went missing Wednesday evening, and following a search operation, his body was recovered from the open well close by his house in the village on Thursday. The deceased Karya is a son of Chandan Sahu. In a case of fence eating the crop, a senior police officer was detained Friday for betraying a woman constable. The officer had allegedly married her at a temple in Kalahandi district. The detained officer has been identified as Malkangiri Sadar DSP Akshay Naik. Personnel from the Kesinga police station, where the woman is also posted, arrested him. In a major fire mishap late Thursday night, one shopkeeper sustained severe burn injuries and properties worth Rs 5 lakh was charred at a local fruit market in Bolangi town in this district. A team of vigilance sleuths detained 3 engineers of the Integrated Tribal Development Agency (ITDA) in Nabarangpur district on charges of carrying unaccounted cash in their office vehicle Thursday night. The vehicle was on its way to Umarkot area. 4 people have been arrested for allegedly posting an online advertisement listing Prime Minister Narendra Modi's Varanasi office for sale, police said Friday. The accused had taken a picture of the Jansampark Karyalaya of Narendra Modi. He was elected from the Varanasi constituency to Lok Sabha. The 4 then used the picture and put the office up for sale on the OLX website, police said. The CBI Friday filed its charge sheet against 4 accused in the alleged gang rape and murder case of a 19-year-old Dalit woman in Hathras, officials said. The agency invoked charges of gang rape and murder against Sandeep, Lavkush, Ravi and Ramu, and the local court in Hathras has taken cognizance. Lawyer for the accused told reporters outside the court. India will produce 300 million doses of Russia's Sputnik V coronavirus vaccines next year, a Russian official said Friday. This is nearly 3 times the previously known number, as deals have been signed with more manufacturers. Russia have claimed that its Sputnik V vaccine has proved to be 95% effective against coronavirus. That's all in the bulletin. You were watching the news roundup of the day by Orissa Post Live.